Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links and commands we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to fix internet not appearing on laptop. Chapter 1. How to fix internet not appearing on laptop from services. To start, enter services in the search box. Click on Services. Now double-click on WLAN Autoconfig. In the Startup Type field, set the automatic value. You can apply the changes. Chapter 2. How to fix internet not appearing on laptop updating driver. To get started, right-click on Start and open Device Manager. After that, in Network Adapters, right-click on the driver and select Update Driver. Click on Search automatically for drivers and wait for the update search to run. Chapter 3. How to fix internet not appearing on laptop reinstalling driver. To start, open the Device Manager by right-clicking on Start. Then under Network Adapters, right-click the driver and select Uninstall Device. Confirm this by clicking Uninstall. When finished, from the Action menu, click on Scan for hardware changes. This will automatically install the driver. Chapter 4. How to fix internet not appearing on laptop configuring power. To start, right-click on Start and click on Device Manager. Now in Network Adapters, double-click on the network driver. You are going to go to the Power Management tab, and here you are going to uncheck the box, allow the computer to turn off this device to save power. Click on OK. Chapter 5. How to fix internet not appearing on laptop from system configuration. To start, in the search box, enter misconfig, open the system configuration. After this, go to the Services tab. There you confirm that the network services are running. Chapter 6. How to fix internet not appearing on laptop deactivating airplane mode. For this method, click on the network icon on the taskbar. Then, tap on airplane mode to deactivate this feature and recover network usage. Chapter 7. How to fix internet not appearing on laptop reactivating the adapter. To start, enter network in the search box. Click on View Network Connections. In the window, select the network driver and click Disable this network device. Wait for it to be disabled. After a moment, click Enable this network device and wait for it to activate again. Chapter 8. How to fix internet not appearing on laptop from terminal. To start, right-click on Start and select Terminal Administrator, click Yes. In the terminal, reset WinSock, run netsh WinSock reset. Then reset the WinSock catalog by running netsh winsock reset catalog, press enter. After this, release the IP address, run ipconfig/release. You are going to free the cache by running ipconfig/flushdens. Finally, renew the IP address, run ipconfig/renew. After all this, reboot the system to apply the changes. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. Chapter 9. How to fix internet not appearing on laptop resetting the network. To start, open Settings from Start. Here, under Network and Internet, go to Advanced Network Settings. After this, click on Network Reset. Click Reset now and confirm the action. You must restart your PC for this change to be applied. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.